Here's the circle. Points A, B, C, and D are all on the edge, and we already know that angle ADB is 35 degrees. We need to find angle ACB. The key thing to notice is that both angles are connected to exactly the same 2 points, A and B. So draw chord AB clearly and keep your eyes on it the whole time. Angle ADB is formed by lines DA and DB, so that angle is looking directly at chord AB. Now look at angle ACB. It's formed by CA and CB, so it also looks at the same chord AB. That's the important pattern. Both angles stand on the same chord AB. Now we use the same segment theorem. The rule says angles in the same segment are equal. In simpler words, if two angles stand on the same chord and the points are on the same side of the circle, then the angles are equal. And that same side part matters. Points C and D are both on the same side of chord AB, so both angles lie in the same segment. You can even shade that region like a pizza slice to make it obvious. So now the problem becomes really short. Angle ACB equals angle ADB, and we already know angle ADB is 35 degrees, so angle ACB must also be 35 degrees. That's the entire theorem in action. Once you spot two angles standing on the same chord, the answer usually appears immediately. In circle theorem questions, always check whether two angles are looking at the same chord. If they are in the same segment, they're equal. Here, both angles look at chord AB, so both angles are 35 degrees.